Hi, and welcome to this 10-minute cardio workout. This can serve as a workout on its own, all cardio, 10 moves, 1 minute each move, or it can also serve as a warm-up for any other workouts in my 10-minute series. Let's go ahead and get started. You don't need any equipment, just some space to move around with. We start with an easy march. Anytime you need to make this easy, you're going to slow the moves down or speed it up to make it a little bit more challenging. So we're going to march 3 times, then tap the toe out to the side. So we go march, 2, 3, tap it. Just alternating sides. Arms just swing here naturally. March, 2, 3, and tap. Don't worry about the footwork. You can always just march in place if you want to. So important to warm up before any workout, you guys. Getting that heart rate up. It's also a great one to do when you're just short on time. A few more seconds here. Hands on the hips, tap the toes out to the side. Keep the knees bent. Option to keep it here, or we're going to take the arms out to the side. So you guessed it, this is a little modified jumping jack. You got your own pace. Always lose the arms. Go slower if you need to, or take it up to a whole jumping jack. Stretch those arms up. Make sure you're breathing. All right, 10 more seconds. I'm gonna do a few full ones. Join me if you're feeling up to it. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms out to the side. We're gonna step behind and step behind, and then let's push the arms out, push the arms out. You're gonna start feeling this in the shoulders for sure. Get that foot behind the other one. All right, working a little bit more into those shoulders. I want you to do palms up, palms down. Palms up, palms down. Rotating in that shoulder. If it's too much, drop the hands back down to the hips. Nice job, keep it here. You're breathing. Stay with me. 10 more seconds. You got it. Push those arms up, out to the sides. Nice job, we're done with that one. Runners. Right leg goes back, and we're gonna run those arms. So option here just to do that foot if you want. It's gonna be more difficult if you speed it up. Standing leg is bent, that knee. Keep it bent, protecting the joint. If you wanted to make this more difficult, you could really pick the knee up. Again, you do you. Make this your own. Let's switch sides, back and forward. Keeping that toe tapping on the ground or bringing that knee up. Run those arms. You got it. 10 more seconds, this is gonna fly, you guys. Keep it here. For 3, 2, and 1. Next move, I want you to twist and twist, and our arms are going side and side. So you're really gonna feel this one in your core. Pull that knee across the body. You could bend the elbows and twist here if you like to. Down the side makes it a little more dancey. Whatever you like. Most important is we're working that core, pulling that leg across, feeling the stretch all the way down the side of the leg. Really twist and twist. Shoulders down. speed it up if you want. Just keep moving, 10 more seconds. Next, we're turning to the side for a little punch. Here we go, turn to the side. I want you to jab it and jab it. Other arm is up as your guard. And again, if you want here, you can add a little bounce to increase your heart rate even more. Punch it forward, palm down, snap it back. Forward. Course pulled in. 5 more seconds, then we switch sides. 1 more, there we go. Keep it moving. Lose the bounce, or you can add a little bit more of a hop. Nice thing about a timed workout is you go at your own pace. Keep it here, palm down, snap it back. 5 more seconds. Beautiful, turn back to the front, high knees. Catch your breath here. As always, option to keep it here. You can add arms, pulling down. Anytime we add those arms, especially over the head, really increases the heart rate, which means it increases the calorie burn. We're gonna feel really good. Good, drive those knees up, elbows down. All right, let's do a little combination. Give me a single, single, double. Single, single, and double. Keep it here the rest of the time. Double it up. Use your core. Drive that knee up. Belly buttons pulled in. Almost there. 1 more. Single, single, and double. Out, out, in. So left, right, left, right. Bend the knees. We're just taking it out to the side and then back in, always with that left leg lead until we switch to that 30-second mark. If you want, you can pump your arms out, out, in. Knees stay bent. Just 2.5 more minutes, guys. Almost there. This is flying by. Switch sides. Right, left, right, left. Out, out, in. Can you make it a little bit bigger? Work those muscles even more. After this, we go to a grapevine. Everyone's favorite. 1 more. Out, out, in. We grapevine here. So step to the side, step behind, and then back in. If you're feeling up to it, we can add arms, just rainbowing up and over. Second to last move. If you're feeling good, you can add a little hop, maybe even hamstring curl. Or just take it back to that basic grapevine. You got it. All the way up and over. Low impact again. Keeping it nice and low without that hop. Or pumping it up. A few more here, guys. Then we're on to our last move. 1 more. Nice job. Toes are facing forward. Little squat down, and then I want you to pick up that foot down and pick it up. So we're trying to tap the inside of that ankle. Little baby squat, tap. Leg is turned out to the side. Knee up, down, knee up. The squat is not a full squat, just a little baby one. Sit the hips back, tap. Or get as close as you can to tapping. Lifting that leg using the inner thigh. A few more seconds. If you guys are up for it, I'm going to post these workouts, 10-minute series in order. So next it'll be arms, legs, abs, then stretch. So that's what you've got to look forward to. And that was it. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope you got a great workout. Got that heart rate up. We'll see you next time.